Friends Factory Telegram. Invite friends, earn hefty bonuses. Friends Factory is an engaging and competitive Telegram-based game where players can build their own factories, manage workers, and compete with millions of others. Since its inception, the game has attracted over 5 million users, making it one of the fastest-growing games on Telegram. With its dynamic mechanics, intriguing gameplay, and the promise of rewards, Friends Factory has become a sensation in the gaming world. How Friends Factory game works. The premise of Friends Factory is simple but addictive. Players start by buying workers and managing them to generate profit. You can send workers to dig for diamonds, complete various tasks, and participate in different events. The goal is to climb the leaderboard, gain rewards, and be the best among your peers. Additionally, you can blow up other players' factories, adding a fun twist to the competition. The role of $FAB tokens. One of the most exciting developments in Friends Factory is the upcoming release of the $FAB token. This in-game currency will be earned through active participation and will provide a new layer of competitiveness and reward. As players grow their factories and increase their productivity, they'll accumulate $FAB tokens that can be used for various in-game purchases, boosting their rankings and overall success. Collaboration with Pavel Durov. An interesting fact about Friends Factory is its collaboration with Pavel Durov, the founder of Telegram. In 2023, Durov acquired the username @Fabrika for the game, marking a significant milestone in its development. This partnership has helped propel the game to new heights, making it even more popular among Telegram users. As a token of appreciation, the game developers have integrated Durov's animation into the gameplay, which can be disabled for users with weaker devices. Rapid user growth and challenges. Since the launch of this Telegram mini-app, the game has experienced an overwhelming influx of users, surpassing 1 million players within a day and 2 million within 48 hours. With such rapid growth, the game faced some technical difficulties. However, the developers have been working tirelessly to fix bugs and improve performance. Thanks to player feedback, many issues have been resolved, and the game continues to provide an enjoyable experience for users worldwide. Referral system and bonuses. Friends Factory encourages players to invite friends through a referral system. By sharing your referral link, you not only grow the player base but also receive hefty bonuses, such as free workers and other in-game rewards. This creates a sense of community within the game, as players work together to build their factories and compete against rivals. What's next for Friends Factory? As Friends Factory continues to evolve, the future looks bright for both its developers and players. With the introduction of $FAB tokens, the game is set to become even more rewarding. Players can expect more updates, events, and improvements, ensuring that Friends Factory remains one of the most exciting Telegram games on the market. Conclusion. Friends Factory is more than just a game, it's a dynamic community where strategy, competition, and rewards come together. Whether you're a seasoned player or just getting started, the game offers endless opportunities to grow, collaborate, and compete. With millions of players, a growing user base, and exciting updates on the horizon, there's never been a better time to join Friends Factory.